Whoa, check this out. Guys, I've done it. Welcome back to Mini Drum Monday. I'm going to show you how I just made the rest of my miniature drum cymbals. Mini drums! I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe how good these turned out. I'm literally amazed. Seriously, this was a really fun process. You got to see the video last week how it started, but man, check out this bad boy. You just saw me put in this detail work underneath this one. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Let's check out how they actually sound. Let me move all this stuff out of the way. Okay, so do you remember when I used this cymbal and I made this ride cymbal? I love it. It's incredible, but I had a bunch more to cut out, and that's literally what I spent my time doing today. It's Sunday. This video is releasing tomorrow, which is Monday. Right now you're seeing this. I can't believe how fast the turnaround was, but I got to work today and I actually found out that this was a super fun process. Look at this thing, man. I got to actually do a lot of detail work on this cymbal, and I think I'm gonna do the rest of them like that as well. I haven't actually made my markers on this. I'm gonna actually have a little emblem on there. I'm calling these 771 cymbals, y'all. 771 cymbals. I'm actually gonna try out my hand in drawing that out here in a moment. You'll see, but I wanted you to hear the sound. That is my favorite thing about these so far. All right, the sound. I mean, they actually sound good. It's incredible. I'm super excited. You guys got to hear the ride, hi-hats, and then I've got my two crash cymbals. I've got one that's a little bit lighter tone and one that's a little bit heavier. All right, let's check these out. Okay, so here's my little system on how I'm holding them up right now. And what I'm most excited about, again, is the tones. Not to mention, I've fashioned together some bigger drumsticks. They've got a little more weight to them, so I think they're gonna sound a lot better for this miniature drum kit. Check this out. I'll start with the ride that you already know right now. Even has that bell up at the top. All right, let's go to the crashes. Now my favorite part are the hi-hats. Check this out. All right, let's get a beat going. Woo, man, I'm pumped. I love the way that these things sound. I can't believe it. I mean, and honestly, like, I don't think they sound bad. I think I can actually record with these things, and hopefully, like I said, I'll be able to have an adjustable hi-hat system to where I can actually make these open and close. They're gonna have a clutch to where these will open and close, but man, I could not be happier. Sorry that this video is a little bit rushed. My SD card got corrupted, so I had to order a new one and just put this together. It's Sunday night. This video pops out tomorrow. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit the subscribe and notification bell, because that helps you get all the notifications. And here's a new sound for the notification bell. All right. that's what I got for you guys this week. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next Mini Drum Monday.